Have you ever noticed that some people always expect things to go wrong and somehow they do? And some people always think something good is about to happen and life starts proving them right. What if I tell you your life is not happening to you? It's happening through what you believe. It's not motivation, it's psychology and it's science. Today we're talking about something that silently controls your career, your relationships, your failures, your success, and your confidence, and it's called self-fulfilling prophecy. Self-fulfilling prophecy means when you believe something strongly enough, your actions unconsciously make it come true. And it's not because of magic, it's not because of universe, it's because your brain starts to match your behavior with your belief. Your beliefs becomes your instruction manual. For example, if you believe that you're bad at speaking, what will you do? You will avoid speaking, you will avoid chances, you will stay nervous, and result, you never improve. Your beliefs didn't predict the future, they created it. Our brain works on expectations. It constantly asks, what should I look for? When you expect failure, your brain looks for the proof of failure. It happens because confirmation bias, selective attention, and habitual behavior. Psychologists found that teachers who believed certain students were special or intelligent, they treated them differently, they gave them more attention, and the result, those students actually did well in their class or with that subject, even when they weren't special to begin with. Belief changed behaviors and behavior changed results. Now, a relationship example. For example, if a person believes everyone always leaves me, they will become overthinker, they overthink every situation, they will become clingy, they will become emotionally distant. Result, partner feels pressure and the relationship collapses. Now the person thinks, see, I was right. But they were not right. They created that situation because of what they believe. Now if someone believes that they're not smart enough, they quit early, they don't try, they don't apply. And when other people who are even sometimes less smarter than them, they will move ahead. Why? Because they believed in themselves. They tried, they didn't quit, they applied again and again and again. Now the truth is, they didn't fail because he or she was less talented. They failed because they followed their belief. Now the scary truth is, most beliefs are formed in childhood through trauma, through repeated failures, or other people's words. You didn't choose many of your beliefs, but you're living the consequences. Now here is the cycle. For example, you believe something. That belief will affect your thoughts. Those thoughts will affect your actions. That action will affect your result. And that result will reinforce that belief again. It feels like fate, but it's actually a loop, and breaking of this loop doesn't start with results. It starts with your belief and your actions. Now if you're stuck in a negative self-fulfilling prophecy, here's how you correct it. First is catch the belief. Ask yourself, what do you already believe will happen, and then you write it down. And now you look at it and question it. You ask yourself, is this always true? Who taught me this? And what if this belief is outdated? Now act against the belief even if you don't believe yet. Speak up even if you feel you're bad. Apply for the job even if you fear rejection. Show up even if the confidence is low. When used correctly, this confidence becomes powerful. New action creates new evidence. Now build a new prophecy. You change I always fail with I'm learning how to succeed. Not fake positivity, but expandable belief. It's not fake, it's not too much overconfident. It's, yeah, I'm learning to succeed. Simple. When used correctly, this concept becomes powerful. Your belief that you can improve, your action, you practice more. Your result is growth or success. Reinforcement, you become more confident. You don't need blind faith, you need flexible belief. Your future is listening to your beliefs today. So choose your beliefs very carefully, because unconsciously you will work to prove them right. Not everything you believe is true, but everything that you believe repeatedly will become your reality. If you're changing your beliefs today, then you're already changing your life. If this made you think, then please save it. If it helped you, then do share. And if you genuinely like this video, then please subscribe.